day 3 getting ready to start. Still raining, it's dried up a little bit, but still kind of shitty outside. So today, what I want to do is I want to have a really good hold on where we're at by the end of today, because it's the end of day 3. So we're coming up, you know, kind of on the halfway point. We're moving along pretty good. I want to go ahead and finish off the headers first thing. Then what we're probably gonna do is put the coil packs on, then get the supercharger switched over for you all, show you all the internal, show you all the difference between the stock and aftermarket, get that put on, then we're gonna move on to the bottom of the car as far as the rear end and the rear trailing arms and all that stuff. So hopefully we're gonna have a productive day.
We gotta go back and torque them anyways. They're just getting them snug.
Oh, that thing hit it.
You sent one from Forza 10 and I brought in today. So you're good, you got them.
Yeah, they're slow. I guess they're that busy.
Yeah. They are.
You want this, whatever?
You get the front one.
Okay.
Come on back. I'm gonna do
We're finishing up the headers right now. Then we'll put the wiring harness back and then the coil packs back on. We're still waiting on the supercharger belt. Won't be here until this afternoon, so we'll probably, we might go ahead to the rear cradle, drop that down, and then go ahead and start doing the billet arms to show you all that.
They got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and
The belt came in a little bit early, which is really good. So we're just gonna go back to the front and just keep knocking stuff out. Put that front end back together. I feel like that'll probably be the most efficient thing. It's the squeakiest lift in the world. Brought to you by Ben Pack. Mike, probably just get your 10mm ready.
Okay. Ready?
Just button all this stuff up so we can basically put the front bumper back on. I'm gonna finish up the booster pump in the back. And there's going to be a wire, one wire that needs to run all the way to the front, and it's going to come up have to fish in behind the supercharger. So before we put it on, so we don't have to fight it, we'll go ahead and do that. And then once that's on, we'll install the supercharger, and then we put the wiper cowl and everything else back on, and then the top will be totally buttoned up. Bell. He makes single and dual booster pump units for several different applications. So this right here is the dual, because the Redeye, the Demon, and the Trackhawk all have twin fuel pumps in. The Hellcat is the only one with a single. So it's basically just like a double unit encased in one, one case right here. And the way this works is it just bypasses in line with the power to the fuel pumps, and this just boosts the voltage going to the fuel pumps based off whenever it sees boost. So this wire right here will get run up to a Hobbs switch, just detects boost, and that kicks this on. During normal driving, won't do anything at all. But then under boost, this will increase the voltage to the fuel pumps, therefore increasing their output. So this has already been preset. We don't have to do any of that. We're just going to hook it up. And we've got these plug and play harnesses right here. So these are the two fuel pump control modules. These plug and play harnesses make it real easy because they'll plug in directly to here, and this is the basically splicing into the power source. And using these, you don't have to cut, splice, anything at all with the factory wiring harness. So this is very easily to remove. So we'll just hook this up, run our Hobbs switch up to the supercharger, and then that'll be it. Day number 63. Almost heaven.
Every 40 different companies came on board. It's fucking amazing, like what the car industry's done for cancer, man. It's fucking awesome.
It's like so tastefully done.
All right, so we just went and drove Christian's brain cancer build Camaro. Couldn't really get on it. I mean, there's so much traffic and stuff, and the thing makes your hands shake. So I have an idea. We're gonna take Brenton from Forza in the Vengeance built CTS-V V3, 767 horsepower to the wheels on the Mustang dyno. Yep. So we're gonna let Mikey, the wrench here, take him out in that. And then for the VIP experience, when Ron comes back out, we're gonna throw him in this new build, and we're gonna do a little parody. Let's see what it's all about.
But what's impressive with this is how it drives still like a
Good job building this. Like it. Yeah.
That's a fun time, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Yeah, it's be a perfect daily driver. You know, tell he basically shoots for the same thing we do. Like,
Yeah.
to be like 100% like stock, except, you know, like way faster. But no check engine lights, it drives. You know. What we're gonna do now is switch over all the stuff from the stock Supercharger over to the Supercharger case that Joker's Performance has already modified for us. It's little mini bike deals. They get them from a place in LA, 250 bucks.
Something in the plastic. You don't realize how like you would like to have something like that.
Put some numbers and stuff on.
Oh, just
Rain or shine, baby.